guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a natural preservative-free belly butter that'll keep your bump feeling soft, smooth, itch-free, and hopefully maybe even stretch mark-free. If you're new to my channel, I post new videos every week on peaceful parenting, healthy living, and life with little ones, and would love for you guys to consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss any helpful videos. So I started making my own belly butter with my first, and I'm working on my third right now. So I've managed to make it through 2 pregnancies without getting any stretch marks, and I'm sure some of that has to do with genetics, but also I have been using the belly butter, so making sure to keep my bump moisturized, as well as staying hydrated, making sure I'm drinking plenty of water throughout the day, eating lots of healthy foods along with healthy fats like avocados and hemp seeds and chia seeds to keep my skin nice and healthy and stretchy. It's also helpful to keep in mind those weight gain guidelines that they give you. So for a normal body weight, BMI, and singleton pregnancy, the recommendation is between 25 and 35 pounds. And I think another major key is to just try to maintain a steady weight gain throughout your pregnancy instead of packing on the pounds all of a sudden, or any sort of rapid weight gain is going to be a little bit more of a challenge for your skin to stretch with. All of these things together help keep your skin's natural elasticity. As for the belly butter, I always apply this directly after my shower to help lock in that moisture, as well as any time the bump might start to feel dry or itchy. And I also like to let it soak in for a couple minutes before getting dressed. Okay, so for this one I'm using a half a cup of shea butter, half a cup of cocoa butter, half a cup of coconut oil, quarter cup of sweet almond oil, quarter cup of jojoba, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 1 tablespoon of beeswax, 1 tablespoon of either tapioca starch, arrowroot powder, or cornstarch. Make sure if you're using the cornstarch that you get the organic variety so that you can avoid GMO ingredients. And lastly, just 20 to 30 drops of your favorite essential oil. I like to use lavender as it has a really relaxing and soothing scent. Don't panic if you don't have beeswax or arrowroot starch. You can absolutely make this without it. It will just change the consistency a bit and make it a little less thick and a little bit more oily. But it works perfectly fine without it and does an effective job. You can also play around with the oils and butters that you're using. Just make sure that the ratios of hard, soft, and liquid oils and butters are similar to this recipe if you want to keep a similar consistency. So for this, you're going to melt the shea butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba, and beeswax together on medium-low in a double boiler, which I don't have, so I am using a glass jar. You can use a cup or a bowl, all inside of a pot of simmering water like this. So once they're all melted together, you can transfer this to the freezer for about 20 minutes, long enough for it to cool, but not long enough to get frozen or solidify. Once your mixture is cool, you're gonna add this to a stand mixer, or if you're using a hand mixer, into your bowl. Add in your vitamin E oil, your starch, and your essential oils. Whip it for about 3 to 5 minutes until all of the ingredients are well combined and it has a light, fluffy texture. You know it's ready when it can stick to a spoon upside down without spilling out. And that's it. Now you have your own all-natural, preservative-free, super clean belly butter that your skin's going to love. Okay guys, I really hope you love this belly butter as much as I do. And if you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.